Our planet isn't just beautiful, it is a world of absolutely mind-bending extremes. So today, we're going to take a quick tour of Earth's most astonishing record holders, the largest, the highest, the oldest, and the driest places you can possibly imagine. All right, let's dive right in. So when you think about it, what is it that makes our planet so completely unforgettable? So unique in the, vastness of space? Well, it really comes down to one word: extremes. From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, our world is literally defined by its superlatives. And today, we're exploring the most incredible records on the books. First up, let's talk about pure, colossal size. We're going to look at the absolute giants that dominate our world map. When it comes to just sheer landmass, nothing, and I mean nothing, even comes close to Asia. It is so vast that it covers nearly a third of all the land on the entire Earth. And, covering even more of the globe is the largest body of water, the immense Pacific Ocean. In fact, the Pacific is so big, it could swallow all the continents whole and still have room to spare. It's just staggering. And here's where that sense of scale gets truly wild. On one hand, you've got the continent of Asia, and on the other, the world's smallest country, Vatican City, which is so tiny it could fit inside a single neighborhood of many Asian cities. That contrast really puts the incredible diversity of our world into perspective, doesn't it? Okay, now let's look at the arteries of our planet, its rivers. And here, the title of biggest isn't quite so simple. It's really a tale of two giants. For decades, the title of the world's longest river has belonged to the legendary Nile, but right on its heels is the mighty Amazon. Now, while the Nile still holds the record for length, the Amazon is the undisputed champion of volume, carrying more water than any other river on the planet. By a lot. Now, if I were to ask you to name the world's largest desert, I bet one name probably pops right into your head. But as we're about to see, when it comes to these vast arid landscapes, size isn't the only record that matters. And yep, there it is, the Sahara. It's the largest hot desert in the world, just an immense sea of sand and rock that has captivated the human imagination for centuries. But hold that thought, because we're going to come back to another desert record holder in just a moment. Okay, let's shift our perspective now from wide to high. We're leaving the vast flatlands behind to explore the planet's most dramatic peaks and plunges. This number, it just says it all. 8,848 meters. That is the staggering height of Mount Everest, our planet's highest point. It's the absolute closest you can get to touching the sky while still keeping your feet on the ground. And from the highest peak, we move to the highest drop. This is Angel Falls in Venezuela, the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. Its cascade is so unbelievably long that a lot of the water actually turns to mist before it even reaches the bottom. And this just blows my mind. It shows the tenacity of human life. We don't just climb these heights, we actually live there. La Rinconada in Peru is the highest permanent settlement on Earth. It's a city, literally, on top of the world. From the highest highs, let's go to the most extreme lows. In terms of water, anyway. The driest place on the entire planet is the Atacama Desert. Get this, some weather stations there have never recorded a single drop of rain. It's so dry, it's almost otherworldly. So, remember how I said size wasn't the only story for deserts? Well, here's the twist. While the Sahara is the biggest hot desert, the Namib Desert in Africa is the oldest. Its sands have been shifting for over 55 million years, making it a true witness to deep time. These physical extremes don't just shape our planet, they shape how we see it, how we talk about it. So for our final section, let's explore a different kind of world record, the poetic nicknames that capture the very essence of a nation's unique landscape. I mean, could there be a more perfect description for Iceland? A place where volcanic fire literally meets glacial ice in this constant dramatic dance? That nickname just captures its elemental power perfectly. And of course, there's one of the most famous nicknames of all, Japan. It's a name that just instantly evokes images of dawn breaking over the Pacific Ocean, a really powerful and ancient symbol for the nation. And the list just goes on, with each name painting such a vivid picture. You can almost see the land of the long white cloud in New Zealand, or feel the land of the morning calm in South Korea. It's also fascinating how some are so similar yet so distinct, like Finland's Thousand Lakes and Rwanda's Thousand Hills. Each nickname is like a beautiful little snapshot of a country's soul. So, from the largest continent to the oldest desert, what does this whole whirlwind tour of extremes really tell us about our home? What we've really seen is that our planet is a masterpiece of contrast. It's defined not just by its places, but by its records. The highest, largest, oldest, and driest. And these extremes, they aren't just trivia. They are the very forces that carve out our world's unique and incredible character. We've toured the world's official record holders, but that kind of leaves us with one final question. What everyday wonder, what personal extreme are you going to discover in your own world today? Thanks for joining this explainer.